The entire country has been seething over the pictures that we have seen coming in from Bangladesh, where a young Dalit man was killed in the most horrific fashion. And unfortunately, even now, the attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh have not stopped. And today, this issue resonated within the Uttar Pradesh Assembly as well, where UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath took on the entire opposition and said that otherwise they will talk about vote bank, they will talk about PDA, but when a Dalit man, Deepu Das, was murdered in Bangladesh, their appeasement politics, their vote bank concerns did not let them utter even a word.
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं ना, देखो बांग्लादेश में एक दलित नौजवान को कैसे जला दिया गया है। आप लोग गाजा पट्टी में होने वाले किसी भी उस पर आंसू बहाते हैं, लेकिन आपकी जबान से एक शब्द नहीं निकल रहा है, क्योंकि एक दलित नौजवान मारा गया बांग्लादेश में, और उस नौजवान के मरने पर आपकी जबानें सूख चुकी हैं, क्योंकि आप उसको केवल वोट बैंक के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ये वो सच्चाई है जो आपकी तुष्टीकरण की नीति है, जिसके कारण बांग्लादेश बना है। अगर बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान नहीं बना होता, इस तरीके से हिंदू नहीं जलाया होता, और जलाता तो फिर उसकी क्या दुर्गति होती या वह भी जानता। ये सुरक्षा की गारंटी, वहां मारे जा रहे हैं हिंदू, आप लोग नहीं बोलेंगे। एक कैंडल मार्च निकाल के चलते हैं गांजा के मुद्दे को लेकर के, लेकिन पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश में हिंदू मारा जाता है तो आपके मुंह बंद हो जाते हैं।
In fact, in Chittagong as well, there were several houses belonging to Hindus which were locked from outside and set on fire. Similar incidents are being reported from the length and breadth of Bangladesh. Why is this being done? Who is behind it? Are anti-India forces working in cahoots with the Yunus government? And this is not us saying it. Now, in fact, it is the brother of assassinated political leader, anti-India, anti-Sheikh Hasina, radical voice, Sharif Hadi, who has actually said that Omar Hadi was killed simply because the Yunus government wanted to derail the upcoming elections.
আপনারা যারা রাষ্ট্র ক্ষমতায় থাকাকালীন অবস্থায় ওসমান হাদিকে হত্যা করা হয়েছে, এই হত্যার দায় আপনারা এড়াতে পারবেন না। যে এজেন্সির হয়ে, যে রাষ্ট্রের হয়ে আপনারা ওসমান হাদিকে হত্যা করেছেন, মনে রাখবেন ওসমান হাদি কোনো এজেন্সি, কোনো রাষ্ট্র, কোনো তাবেদারের কাছে কখনোই মাথা নত করে নাই।
And that brings us to the big questions on the show today. Are there no eyes on Bangladeshi Hindus? What happens when people talk about the politics of Dalits? They can't get themselves to speak about a Dalit who is killed in the most heinous fashion in Bangladesh. Joining us is Ghanshyam Tiwari of the Samajwadi Party. We have Sanjay Jha continuing with us, along with Sameer Chaugankar, senior journalist, and Tuhin Sinha. Ghanshyam Tiwari, PDA politics, but Dalit man killed in Bangladesh. No tears for him. Why?
Good evening, Padmja, to you, the viewers, and the fellow co-panelists. A Merry Christmas to everyone, that our combined effort will make the nation prosperous and harmonious.
To you too.
First things first, we heard a joke on this program. The joke was cracked by Yogi Adityanath due to his ignorance or lack of knowledge. And joke is कि अगर पाकिस्तान नहीं बना होता तो बांग्लादेश नहीं बना होता. I think the dumbest people in the country will also not be able to repeat this joke. I don't think BJP spokesperson will be able to repeat this joke. That अगर the chief minister of the largest state in India, a potential prime minister candidate according to some people in BJP, says अगर पाकिस्तान नहीं बना होता तो बांग्लादेश नहीं बना होता. Leave the joke aside. A basic Google search will tell you that since 1999, 5 prime ministerial visits have happened in Bangladesh. Of that, 3 are BJP prime ministers. Of that, 2 are prime minister visits by Narendra Modi ji himself. Point number 3, a basic Google search.
How is that relevant? Obviously, things were different at that time. Even now, India is engaging with Bangladesh. I'm talking about the politics and the optics of what is happening. You talk about PDA politics. दलित आदिवासी, एक दलित आदमी को मार दिया बांग्लादेश में, आप क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं?
Please allow me to complete. I said 2 sentences. The third sentence is that a basic read of the MEA, Ministry of External Affairs, on the number of hate crimes against people from India in the last 5 years, 2021, 29 reported attacks, 2022, 57 reported attacks. This is people of India in foreign land. 86 reported attacks 2023, 40 cases in 2024. Overall, 91 Indian students were violently attacked abroad, resulting in 30 deaths.
How is
So
that
what is happening in
relevant,
Bangladesh
you are
becomes
just killing time. You are killing time and you know it. A
No,
crime of any
Aparna,
other
please don't be anxious.
nature, which is
Please don't be anxious. Allow me to
race-driven
complete.
or which is communally motivated.
Please allow me to complete. Don't be anxious.
I am not
Fine,
anxious.
Yes, so please allow
I'm
me to
just a
complete.
little
You are
impatient
interjecting
because
with
you're
every
not talking on
sentence
the
I
topic.
speak. You are interjecting with every sentence I speak.
Because you're not speaking
On
on
a
the
day,
topic.
on a day when BJP officially is protesting against Bangladesh through its various organs and organisms, right? This is the story of MEA. And on this day, for Yogi Adityanath to make headlines on the day when he has become Santa Claus, Amit Shah has become Santa Claus, and Narendra Modi has become Santa Claus for Kuldeep Sengar as he gets released. A hapless victim and her mother is being dragged by Delhi police, and Mr. Yogi Adityanath has the ability to stand up and say he speaks for all Hindus.
Ghanshyam Tiwari, when are you
Is
coming
that
to the
girl not
topic
a
of
Hindu?
Deepu Das?
Is that girl not a Hindu?
When are you coming to the topic of Deepu Das?
I'm coming to that. So
When?
Kuldeep Sengar is
Come to
is
it
part
now,
of
sir.
Hindu Rashtra, but the victim, the poor victim, is not part of Hindu Rashtra. The hapless students of India who are attacked are not part of Hindu Rashtra. The lakhs of Indians who are currently under trauma in United
Ghanshyam
States.
Tiwari, do you know that Deepu Das was a Dalit? Yes or no?
Not part of Hindu Rashtra.
Do you know that Deepu Das was a Dalit?
No, but I'm saying that
Yes or no?
this is in
Was he a
context of
Dalit or
everything
not?
that is happening. And my conclusion is
If
one
you
final
go and espouse the cause of Dalits from Delhi to Hathras, from Dindigul to Denmark, then why aren't you speaking for a man who was burnt in Bangladesh?
I'm
He
speaking
fits
for it.
right into your
My
PDM
concluding
politics.
line-
He was a Dalit.
My concluding line is that
But you
India
have
has a
concluded
very
without
weak
even
prime
speaking
minister.
one word about the topic at hand. What about
Please
Deepu
allow me.
Das?
Please-
Was he not
please allow
Dalit
me.
enough for you?
Please allow me. India has a very weak prime minister. As a result, people are threatened in Bangladesh, and an Indian government cannot do anything except its organisms going out and protest. Indian students are threatened across the
Have you
world. Indian
concluded?
government cannot do anything
At
except
least
Mr. Prime
in
Minister
conclusion,
hiding away from
condemn
Donald
the
Trump.
murder
Yeah, please
of
go
Dalit
ahead.
Deepu Das. At
If
least
you are
in
not
conclusion,
allowing- if you are
condemn
not
the
going to
murder
allow
of
me to
Dalit
speak-
Deepu Das. He fits into your PDA model.
If you will not allow me to speak,
Sir, I have literally
No, I can
allowed you to
hear-
speak
hear-
for the last 5 minutes. That's all you've done.
no, you just interjected me with every half sentence.
कमाल है
I think
Let me
it is-
complete the sentence,
I
at
think
least
it is
one full
very
sentence.
apparent that even now, after having gone 365 times around the planet, you can still not bring yourself to condemn the murder
To complete a
of a
sentence.
Dalit Deepu Das once. Just say
After-
it was bad that
After
Deepu
five-
Das was burnt by Islamic radicals in Bangladesh.
After 5 attempts, I have not been allowed to complete a sentence. Can I complete a sentence?
Sir, I will set the timer for the next 10 seconds. Please speak on
Yes.
Deepu Das.
Yes. I am saying that such is the state of Indian citizens. If a man is burnt in Bangladesh or lynched in Bangladesh, and the Indian government has to demonstrate its strength, that strength should be visible in the leadership of the Prime Minister. But the leadership of the Prime Minister is so weak that he cannot stand up for Indian citizens or Indian professionals in the United States. He cannot stand up
Do
for
you
the
as a
attacks that
party,
Indians
all right,
face
your
across
10
the world.
seconds are over.
How will
Do
he
you as
stand
a
up
party,
for
do you as
a man being
party
lynched in
denounce
Bangladesh?
what happened to Deepu Das?
I did not hear what you were asking, and you did not allow me to
You,
complete. You
as
did not
a
even
party,
contend with your 10 seconds.
Does the Samajwadi Party denounce the murder of Dalit Deepu Das at the hands of Islamic radicals in Bangladesh? Yes or no?
Absolutely. Is there any question? An innocent man was lynched. An innocent man was. I spent the afternoon today with a 1971 war veteran.
Okay, great.
He clearly
You have
mentioned that
experience enough.
again you
Don't accuse the
interject.
Samajwadi
I don't
Party
know.
of any kind of
you are torturing
selectivity
your own viewers.
or being hypocritical. Here you have Ghanshyam Tiwari criticizing it. And in fact, he has higher hopes of you. You should stand up for Deepu Das, the Dalit Deepu Das, as the ruling party.
I'm very, amazed by Samajwadi Party's distraction tactics. Unfortunately, what happened to Deepu Das, something similar happened in Murshidabad in April this year to Har Gobind Das and Chandan Das. who were brutally murdered in Murshidabad. Why were they murdered? Because just, a few days before that, Mamata Banerjee was provoking people against the Waqf Amendment Act, and one of her, party members went out of the way, got carried away or whatever, and a similar brutality. Did Ghanshyam Tiwari or anybody in the Samajwadi Party condemn that? Did, forget what is happening in Bangladesh? Mamata Banerjee in certain districts has encouraged certain, a similar situation. They never condemned it. In October 2021, a Dalit hawker from Bihar was killed by terrorists in Kashmir. They never, stood up for that. So it's too much to expect, things from them. Point is, the Indian government is constantly in touch with the embassy over there. We are dealing with the rogue establishment in Bangladesh. So yes, we are dealing with it cautiously, because beneath the superficial wheel of sophistication that Muhammad Yunus has lies an Islamist, lies a person who, is vicious to deal with. So we are dealing with it cautiously. But, when Mamata Banerjee lathi charges protesters, who are protesting against Dipu Chandra Das's assassination, it almost gives the impression that Mamata Banerjee is siding with Muhammad Yunus and Bangladesh. I think that is very shameful.
But why do you expect the Samajwadi Party to speak up? They are saying that we have faith in the government. Whatever has to be said will be said by the government. Every other expectation is only political.
No. So we are handling the situation. We, when Muhammad Yunus made a nasty comment on our chicken neck corridor, we in fact withdrew a transshipment facility which was available to them for export of their products to different countries, barring Nepal and Bhutan. We have withdrawn that facility, which is costing them 65,000 crores a year. If they still don't make up, if they still don't realize the gravity of the situation, more punitive action will follow. But please understand, unlike Canada, which is 15,000 kilometers away, and against whom we took a very confrontational stand when Trudeau was supporting Khalistani elements, we have to deal with.
Okay, Ghanshyam Tiwari, the government of India is acting, but what will it take for you to actually take a political stand?
It is atrocious that a man was lynched, and it is atrocious that we have a weak prime minister who cannot stand up to the atrocities Indians face in the United States, in different parts of the world, and in Bangladesh. And you are asking Samajwadi Party to take a stand. What kind of question is it? As far as Mr. Tuhin
You yourself take a stand on everything. It is the same kind of question which would be asked of you at the time of Hathras, or when a young Dalit girl is raped in a crematorium in Delhi. At that time, you don't think it is it's atrocious at all for you to take a stand. Leave that alone. You actually send delegations of your MPs. So the natural expectation will be that you will take a similar stand in all issues across the board. What is so atrocious about it?
Let the viewers decide. If you think that the answer is for a SP delegation to go to Bangladesh, I think viewers will not find it palatable.
Take a stand, Ghanshyam Tiwari. Don't send a delegation.
What are you talking about?
At least have your party take a stand.
I think you don't know the question, you don't know the answer you expect. Allow me to complete my sentence.
I know the question very well, Ghanshyam.
Yeah, I don't understand what
Why
kind
did
of
your
question
party
you're asking.
in the last 1 week not take a stand? That's my simple question.
It is unbelievable the kind of question you are asking. The government of India has to take a stand with regards
so
to this.
unbelievable.
पार्लियामेंट चल रहा था, पार्लियामेंट
भाई प्रियंका गांधी ने स्टैंड लिया, प्रियंका गांधी ने बोला, आपके नेता क्यों नहीं बोल पाए? सिंपल सा सवाल है.
अरे बोल तो दिया.
क्या बोला?
I just said this.
आपके किस एमपी ने बोला? आपके किस सांसद ने बोला पार्लियामेंट के अंदर?
I just said this. Please allow me to complete. I just said this, and my point is that when you have a weak government of India, whose failure is this, Padmija?
You have said nothing.
Is it Samajwadi Party's failure?
दास के बारे में बोल दीजिए.
Let your viewers decide. Let your viewers decide. This is laughable that you have this line of questioning. I am aghast that you have this line of questioning.
You can be
that you have
aghast
another party
and
that you cannot
incredulous
stand
and
up,
speechless
and you
and
expect
wordless.
Samajwadi
33 सांसद है, 33
Party
member of
to
very simple.
send a delegation to Bangladesh.
सर दुनिया भर की चीजों में यूक्रेन से
delegation
लेके
to Bangladesh. What are you talking
पॉइंट
about?
ऑफ व्यू होता है. आपके सांसद खड़े होके बोलते हैं.
33 मेंबर ऑफ
ज्ञापन
पार्लियामेंट
देते
है.
हैं.
अखिलेश यादव सांसद है, अखिलेश यादव सांसद है, डिंपल यादव सांसद है, 33 सांसद है. आज इनके पास इतनी बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है. लोकसभा में एक बार भी क्या समाजवादी पार्टी के किसी सांसद ने बांग्लादेश में जो हुआ उसके लिए बोला? वहां पर प्रियंका गांधी एक शब्द बोली. और मुझे तो लग रहा था कि राहुल गांधी जर्मनी गए थे. राहुल गांधी को भी जर्मनी में इस बात को लेकर बोलना चाहिए था कि बांग्लादेश में किस तरीके से हिंदुओं के साथ वहां किया जा रहा है। लेकिन राहुल गांधी जर्मनी में जाकर संविधान खतरे में है, लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, उसका जिक्र कर रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी जर्मनी में इस बात का जिक्र नहीं करते, पार्लियामेंट में अखिलेश यादव इस बात का जिक्र नहीं करते। कम से कम एक राहुल गांधी ट्वीट कर देते, अखिलेश यादव इस बात को लेकर ट्वीट करते, डेलीगेशन लेके मिलने चले जाते गृह मंत्री के पास कि भाई बांग्लादेश में ऐसा हो रहा है।
नहीं, अखिलेश यादव क्यों? अवधेश प्रसाद जो हैं वो हैं तो फैजाबाद से सांसद, वो फ्रांस से लेके फॉकलैंड्स तक हर चीज पर बाइट देते हैं। इस पे तो मैंने उनकी एक भी बात नहीं सुनी। और घनश्याम तिवारी यहाँ ऐसे कर रहे हैं, क्या हो गया? Why you so incredulous, घनश्याम तिवारी? 33 MPs, surely some of them.
I'm amazed that we have a home minister who's not said a thing about anything of importance, from Manipur to the Delhi pollution to what happened to the girl today in Delhi.
Yeah, you are always amazed by the home minister being quiet.
You have always been
डिस्कशन हुआ है पॉल्यूशन पे।
What kind of debate is it that you will interject in half a sentence?
Why are you taking a vocal stand? It's as simple
Why
as
are you
that.
so anxious?
भाई पीडीए
Why
का
are you
पी
so
कहीं पे
anxious?
आता है, आप कूद करके पहुंच जाते हैं। बोल दीजिए ना भाई दीपू दास पे। What
You
got
have-
your tongue?
Your viewers see that you are very anxious. Please allow me to complete
Viewers
the
see
sentence.
that you
If
are
ask
very
me-
racist.
Padmaja, can I make
That it is acutely uncomfortable for you to even say the of Deepu Das right now.
मुस्लिम वोट का डर है,
The
मुसलमानों
viewers
का
will
डर
feel
है।
that.
Make a point, please.
I have what nonsense is this? It is
This is
an
not
atrocious
nonsense.
story. It is
It is very
tragic that a
apparent.
young man is lynched for you to come here and sit in
मुसलमानों का
judgment
डर है, मुस्लिम
as if-
वोट का
as if
डर है।
Name me
you are the
one
moral
MP.
compass of the
Name
country.
me one
This is-
MP,
this is
MLA,
absolutely
party
foolish.
leader who
What
has
are you
taken
talking
a
about?
stand.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about your party leader not taking a stand.
I don't know what you mean. I don't think you have a question. I don't think you have an answer. You
Padmaja, can I make a
waste the
point?
time of your viewers.
Let us-
Ghanshyam
Go ahead,
Tiwari,
let us-
you have,
let us-
you have
you know-
really like made this web around yourself, and I don't understand.
Padmaja, we are all
Yes, yes.
aware of.
I am the foreign minister of the country. It is my stand that matters.
Just
And
one second.
a mum
Ghanshyam.
prime minister,
Ghanshyam,
a mum
just
external
1 second.
affairs minister, a mum BJP,
allow me 20 seconds.
continuous atrocities
Allow me
on
20
Indian citizens
seconds,
across
Ghanshyam.
the world does not matter.
No,
Well done,
they
Padmaja.
both
That's
matter.
a great line of
They
questioning.
both matter. You know why they
Allow me
matter?
to-
very-
Just hold on a
great
second,
line of
Queen Sana.
questioning. Well
Just hold
done.
on a second. Let me
Well
make
done,
it
well done.
absolutely clear.
Kudos.
This is in no way to absolve the government of its responsibility. We have asked and will continue to ask what the government is doing. We have asked this today as well, because when it comes to the relationship between the two countries, the government
is the
of
government
India will
doing?
have to take a stand. However, let
is
me
the
also
government doing?
remind you that you at all points of time haven't backed the government of India. You have said, oh, this is the Modi government, this is the BJP government. That being said, I will still ask questions of the government of
15
India.
minutes into
But
the
sir,
debate,
when
what
it
is the
comes
government
to a
doing?
political party in our country, optics matter. If for your
15
politics
minutes
you are
into the
taking
debate,
a
what is the
stand
government doing?
on topic A, you must take a stand on topic B as well, since both of them are evenly balanced. And when you don't do that, people will ask you questions as well. So please don't try and run away from the very legitimate questions being
Yeah.
asked of you. And
15
hide
minutes
behind
into the
excuses of,
debate, what is the
"Oh, I
government
don't know the
doing? Your
question,
viewers
you
would
don't
like
know
to
the
know.
answer." Let's be absolutely
15 minutes
clear.
into the debate,
I know my
what is the
question.
government doing?
You don't have an answer.
Has
I know
external
my
affairs
question
minister said
very,
a
very
word?
well.
Has the
I'll
home
give you
minister
only
said a
10
word?
seconds.
Has the prime minister said a word? In 15
Padmaja,
minutes, you'll
can
not
I- can I
you'll
make
not
a point?
watch on a sound bite of the home minister, a tweet of the home minister, external affairs minister, prime minister. All these people are sleeping.
I have already.
What is the government doing?
Okay, only 10
This is-
seconds, Suin Sena. Only 10 seconds. I have to go to Sanjay Jha.
Yeah, I have already explained what the government is doing. Probably he was obsessed with what he was saying. But, let's not be unfair. Let's not have unfair expectations from the Samajwadi Party. We know their politics. All I'm asking from Samajwadi Party is that will he condemn, the incident on Sunday where Lagna Jyoti Chakravarti, a girl in Kolkata, was stopped from singing a bhajan only because it had words of obeisance for Ma Durga? Will he condemn the lathi charge on protesters in Kolkata by Mamata Banerjee? He will not even do that. So it's, let's be unfair in the expectations we have from Samajwadi Party, but they have been so brazen about their hypocrisy towards Hindus.
Mr. Tiwari again has retorted with but go on, sir.
Well,
He's alternating between this and this. Go on.
I like the spellbound nature by which you heard him. Please allow me one sentence in the similar manner. Now, for BJP to stand here, the party who has the infamy of the most number of MPs and MLAs with criminal charges with respect to crimes against women, the most number ever. The party where the Prime Minister becomes Santa Claus to Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh, Kuldeep Sengar, to Baba Ram Rahim, to Babu Bajrangi, to Prajwal Ravanna coming here and lecturing me of condemning a girl from singing a song.
दीपू दास
दीपू
क्यों
दास पे
नहीं
नहीं
बोल
बोल
पा
रहे।
रहे घनश्याम तिवारी? I just don't get it.
दीपू दास से बोल दीजिए घनश्याम।
I was responding to Tuhin Sinha, as your viewers can see. But again, because you have different yardsticks, you will not understand it. Please go ahead with your debate.
All right, Sanjay Jha, is it that difficult for Deepu Das to be the ideal victim? He doesn't fit into the politics of PDA?
No, I don't think that's correct at all. I think everyone in this country, this is not even a point of conversation, to be frank. It's an individual. He happens to be a Hindu. That makes it even sadder, tragic, lynched to death in a brutal fashion. I think it's a bipartisan issue. Everybody's condemned that. Here is the 2 points that I wish to make. And I'll take just 30 seconds. Number one, the Narendra Modi government could not even take care of Manipur for years. Narendra Modi went to Manipur after 2 years. To expect this incompetent government to take care of our vulnerable Indians in Bangladesh or any other part of the world, we are living in a fool's paradise. Bangladesh is going to go down in history as a foreign policy disaster of epic proportions. My second point is my last one. Look at the difference between the Congress and the BJP. Under the Congress in 1971, East Pakistan became Bangladesh. Under the BJP in 2025, Bangladesh is becoming like East Pakistan. That tells you the absolute incompetence, the thorough arrogance, the ridiculousness with which we have managed our neighborhood. Let me add one point, Padmaja.
That doesn't tell you the whole story.
Bangladesh.
What you also will not tell the
Bangladesh-
viewers that it is at a time
Just
when
a
they
minute,
had
just a
various governments in
Just a
power in
minute. I
India
have-
that the population of Hindus went down consistently in Bangladesh because the attacks on Hindus had continued even at that time.
Yeah,
Things,
so
of
here's my
course,
point.
changed radically because Sheikh Hasina was ousted. And that's something that India really can't help or stop. But anyway, I'm out of time. We will keep our eyes on this particular story. It is fast developing. This evening, we also had a blast in Bangladesh. But how that affects the politics within our own country, will there at least be a token acknowledgement of what happened in Bangladesh? We'll wait and watch. For the time being, gentlemen, thanks very much for joining me. Thanks for watching.